Alright, set it down. We gotta get the trash out of the way. We'll take care of the trash in a minute. We'll get it in a minute. We'll get it in a minute. Just put it down. Let's get the box open.
Two big wrapping paper.
Watch your feet. We need scissors or tape or I mean a knife or...
I got it right here.
If there was a monkey kind of thing, it could just automatically open the box. Stay careful.
Good.
Be careful.
Okay. Go at it. Pull the paper out. Get the paper out. Get the paper out.
More presents inside it? Yay! Can't get the ribbon off.
Just rip it. Rip it off.
Now it's dead as a bat.
Just rip it. Come on.
Rip it! Rip it!
Rip, rip, rip. Let's go.
Rip that ribbon apart. Oh my god.
Come on.
Derek, see this shoulder strap?
Yes.
Be very careful because it's really neat, but it could get busted, and we hope it don't, okay? So don't go like...
All right, don't worry. No. Don't worry about
don't
opening it.
swing your gun around on it or something.
Nintendo DS.
Derek.
What?
Hold on, buddy. Here, just start taking all these out.
Paper!
Wow.
It says naughty night. That's what Santa looks for.
I like that wrapping paper. She got reversible wrapping paper.
Yeah.
Rip it. Don't worry about tape stuck to you.
The paper's stuck to my fingers. How am I going to be able to unwrap the whole entire thing?
Take it off with your other finger.
I want to get my circle. They were the ones that were giving me my Nintendo review. Twice as long.
Pretty cool. Pretty cool.
That's not your 3DS, is it?
It's like it looks like it. Charger.
No, it's not.
Charger base?
Yeah, it's right here.
Uh-oh. Well. Oh, you got another one in here.
I'm putting this on. Yay. Alright. I know when the enemy tape get on me anymore. Annoying. This is annoying. What's the enemy all that?
Hey, Mama.
What is it?
I don't have the Nintendo DS.
Let me see. What is it? What game is it? Don't be sad. What's wrong? Oh, it's a 3DS game.
What's that mean?
Uh-oh.
So you take it back.
All right, well, hold on.
I can get it
And
out.
get the
Hold
other
on.
one.
Well, look. Make sure there's nothing else. Rip all the paper. Get it all out of there. Come on.
Another one.
There's another one.
Wow. Another big one.
3DS.
Don't get upset.
5,000 toys, there's only one.
No, this is the last one. So if it's not this, it's not at all. Uh-oh. Come on. Keep your fingers crossed. Is it? Is it? Ah.
It is!
Ah, it is! Yay!
Alright, get over here and give me a smile.
Oh.
Give me a big smile.
Now I can play that game.
Give me a smile for your grandmother and grandfather. Thank you.
And say thank you to Grandma.